And we're back, fellow knife enthusiast. This week we're going to be doing the Statgear Ledge. It is a slip joint knife. So let's go ahead and get started with specs. We'll set that one off to the side. The knife itself is 6.1 inches overall. The blade is 2.5 inches. The handle is 3.6. And the weight is 2 ounces. It is a slip joint. The blade width is 0.05. It is D2 steel, stone washed finished. Has a, I guess you would call it a modified sheepsfoot cut. 59 to 61 on the Rockwell scale. The handle is a machine G10 with a reversible pocket clip that will be tip up carry. It has a lanyard, a hole for a lanyard hole. Has a full stainless steel back spring or back spacer. It does have a deep carry pocket clip. And the material is stainless steel. So let's show you how this knife will cut. We'll start off with just a little bit of jute there. We'll cut it coming back. As you can see, there's a little bit of tearing there, but not bad. This knife does seem to be pretty sharp. We'll cut some paracord. As you can see, it cut right through there. Notice that most of the D2 steels that show up here are normally very sharp. So this is a slip joint, so we're just going to show you a couple of nice, smooth, easy cuts. I'm sure it will do some stabbing. I normally don't do that with slip joint knives. It's not really what they're meant for. They're more of a box cutter. As you can see, you can get your hand right up on top of there, and it will cut very easily. This knife does have an extended blood groove, which I'm not sure why, because I don't think I'd be using it to feel dress an animal or anything, so that's really kind of a feature that's not necessary. We do like the design on the G10 there, which is nice. And let's go ahead and show you the red one. I noticed the red one here, and I think there's also a black one. I don't seem to have that one on my table for some reason, but that's okay. Bring it a little closer so everyone can see it. Alright, this is the Statgear Ledge. And for those of you that are watching on Instagram, make sure you like and follow. We post tons of knife information, pictures, we do giveaways. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe. Don't want to miss anything that we do. We have a lot of these 5-minute reviews, and we do what's called the 1-minute look, where you get the opportunity to just take a 1 minute, 50-second, whatever, look at a knife, see if it's something that you're interested in, has close-ups and none of that annoying talking. On that note, this is the Statgear Ledge, and I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.